you on your screens that how can we find positions of places on maps of the world. Now I was telling you about this map, about the lines of latitude and longitude. Okay, what is meant by lines of latitude and longitude? All the lines which are stretching from left to right are lines of latitude, means from west to east, or you can say from left to right, they are called lines of latitude. And all the lines which are stretching from top to bottom, they are called lines of longitude. So you have to underline in your books, all the lines across the map from left to right are lines of latitude, and all the lines from top from north to south are lines of longitude. So as you can see in this picture that all of them have numbers. Some of them have names like Tropic of Cancer, Equator, and Tropic of Capricorn is given, and prime meridian. So these are the divisions of the Earth. Basically, they are showing you the Earth. They are showing you the globe, but in the form of a map. They are showing globe in the form of a map. So what are they telling you? That all kinds of places and all the lines have numbers like 60° north or 60° east. Like in this way, they are all have numbers, but some of them have names like Tropic of Cancer, Equator, and Tropic. Okay, there are two tropics. Equator is the imaginary line that is running in the middle of the earth from left to right. Okay, so it is the imaginary line. It is running from left to right. And there are two tropics above. The above one is Tropic of Cancer and the below one is Tropic of Capricorn. So we have to look at the equator on the map, figure 1.3. Now you can look at the equator. Just look at the line on of the equator. Is it a line of latitude or longitude? What is its number? So we can just see that what is its number. It is at 0° and it is running in the middle of the earth. Okay, and it is a line of, basically it is a line of latitude because it is stretching from left to right. So it is line of latitude. So what is its number? The other lines of latitude lie to the north and south of the equator. So it is necessary to put north or south by their numbers. Means we can just tell any point by their numbers, like 10° north and 10° south. Like for example, as you can see, these A, C, D, E, these points, these are the basically places. As you can see the A, where is A line? You can just see at your books, look at your books. Where is this A line? It is lying at 40° north. Just match it with this line. Where is it coming? 40° north, and on above it is matching with 100° west. So जो भी place A पे है, यानी A पर जो भी जगह है, whatever the place is, it is lying at 40° north and 100° west. So similarly we can find the position of place B. अब हम place B की भी position find कर सकते हैं इसी तरीके से. Like it is lying at 20° south, means we just match it with this line. Where is it lying? 20° south, and then the above line. Means to say that now it is 20° south and 60° west. So basically means to say that all the places they are, when we want to find the position of a place on any map, we have to match it, the line of latitude with the line of longitude. So all these lines which are stretching from left to right, they are called lines of latitude, and all the lines which are stretching from top to bottom, they are called lines of longitude. Longitude, long से हम कहेंगे length, means they are in length, stretching in length. Okay, longitude means length, and latitude which are like horizontal. Okay, so okay, now I want you to read from this paragraph. Look also at the prime meridian. One of you can read. Okay, who wants to read? Okay, Nurul Iman, you can read. I have unmuted you. Yes, Nurul Iman. Yes, Nurul Iman, you can read. Okay, Heather, you can read. Unmute yourself.
Yes.
You can read. I've unmuted you.
From where?
Look also at the prime meridian from the on the right side of the page. Look also at the prime meridian.
So, look also at prime meridian.
Prime meridian. Prime meridian.
Going northward from the equator, following
Equator.
it through West Africa, Western Europe, and the UK. It is also called Greenwich Meridian.
It is
It
called
passes through a
Greenwich.
place in England. Greenwich Meridian.
It's called. It's
Because
called.
it passes through a place in England called Greenwich. Say
Greenwich.
Figure
It is
1.4
called
shows
Greenwich. Okay.
Greenwich. Figure 1.4 shows another place in England where the village people have marked where this imaginary line of longitude runs through their farmland. Why does the sign say longitude 0?
Okay.
A sign showing a place in
Okay.
England.
Enough. Okay, now what are they telling you? Look also at the prime meridian. Okay, look here. Look at this map. Now this prime meridian is running along the line of longitude. It is running along the line of longitude. At which degree? 0 degree. It is running at along the line of longitude, and it is meeting 0 degree. Okay, it is meeting 0 degree. So this is called the prime meridian. Now going northward from the equator. Now if we just go from northward of the equator, means to say that from this side, if we just go from this side of the equator, follow it through West Africa, Western Europe, and the UK. It is also called the Greenwich Meridian. It is not called Greenwich, it is called Greenwich Meridian. Okay, because it is passes through a place in England called Greenwich. So it is called Greenwich Meridian because it passes through a place. I want to show you this one. This is called Greenwich. Okay. Now this prime meridian is running along the line of longitude. As you can see, it is stretching from the south pole and towards the north pole. Now this line is called the prime meridian. Okay, it is running at 0 degree line of longitude. And there is a place which is coming on the prime meridian. So this place is called Greenwich, England. What is it called? Greenwich, England. And it is at 0 degree longitude. So this place is, this line is called prime meridian because it is running along 0 degree longitude. So now what are they telling you in this paragraph? Once again, I go back to the paragraph. Look also at the prime meridian. Now, villagers have just marked this as a prime meridian. This is a kind of a sign showing a place in England through which the prime meridian runs. They're telling you about Greenwich, England. Okay, Greenwich is a place in England, and it is also called Greenwich Meridian. You can underline why it is called Greenwich Meridian. Meridian comes with Greenwich because it is present on the prime meridian. That's why it is also called Greenwich Meridian. Okay, why it is called Greenwich Meridian? Because of the prime meridian. It is present on the prime meridian. That's why it is also called Greenwich Meridian. It is a place in England. Okay, and what are they telling you? It is also called the Greenwich Meridian because it passes through a place in England called Greenwich. Now this place, this prime meridian passes through a place of England called Greenwich. That is why it is also called Greenwich Meridian. Okay, basically its name is prime meridian, but because it is running along a place of England called the Greenwich. That is why it is also called Greenwich Meridian. Now, villagers have just shown a symbol, shown a sign to represent the Greenwich Meridian. What are they telling you? That this sign is telling us that it is passing on 0° longitude. Okay. So now, why does the sign say longitude 0? Okay. It is why does the sign say longitude 0? Why it is saying longitude 0? Because it is running along the line which is meeting at 0° longitude. Okay, it is meeting at 0° longitude. That is why they are telling us that why does the sign say longitude 0? Because this place is meeting at 0° longitude. Okay, now I'm coming to the next page. Now one other student can read. Okay, one of the other student can read. Okay, I will just unmute one other student. Okay, Rohan, you can read. I have unmuted you.
Thank you, teacher. Teacher, from the
Page
prime
number
meridian
6. Page number 6, next page, na? Open next page, page
lines
number
of
6.
latitude
Oh, the above paragraph. On maps, the prime meridian.
on maps, the prime meridian is the numbered at 0° Celsius. The other lines of longitude are on the east or west side of it. So east or of it. So it is necessary to put either east or west by their numbers. For example, 20 east and 20 west.
20° east, na?
20
20° east.
20° east and 20° west. The position of A on the map figure 1.3 is 40° 40° north, 100° west. For each of the dots B, C, D, and E, work out the number of the line of latitude and of the line of longitude that shows its position.
Okay. So now what are they telling you? They are saying on maps the prime meridian is numbered as 0°. Okay, as you can see in this page, as I have told you, that it is running along a line, it is meeting at 0°. So now if we just see this picture, okay, so if we just see this picture, firstly they are telling you this one is latitude, these are the lines of latitude, means they are stretching from left to right, and these are the lines of longitude, means they are stretching from top to bottom. Okay, so these are from left to right. They have shown it in a vertical way, but basically they are stretching from left to right. So what are they telling you? That on maps the prime meridian is numbered as 0. Okay, so this one, this 0°, this is basically called the prime meridian. The 0° over here also, this is called the prime meridian. You can see, not over here, this is equator. You can see in this figure, this one, that it is the longitude, because prime meridian is lying at 0° longitude. Okay, not latitude, it is lying at longitude, 0° longitude. Okay, prime meridian is lying at 0° longitude. Now the other lines of longitude, now I'm talking about longitude. Now the other lines of longitude are on the east or west side of it. Now as you can see that either the lines are on the east side or on the west side. Means all these lines are stretching from east to west. Students, listen attentively. All these lines are stretching from east to east side or on the west side. So we have just put their numbers by east or west. As you can see in this picture, you can look at your books that either they are east or west is written. On the lines of longitude, what is written? On the right hand side of the 0°, east is written, and on the left hand side of the 0°, west is written. So What are they telling you? That we have positioned it as either east or west. We have positioned these lines as either east or west. Okay, so that we can find the position of places. Now, for example, if I want to find the position of A on this map. Now, if I don't have these east and west and north and south numbers, then how can I find the position of A? So we have we have to write these numbers so that we can find the positions of places easily. Like A is present at 100° west and 40° north. You can match it, this line with this line and the dot. The dot is telling us that we have to match this side, the right side, with the top side, okay, with the top line. So what it will become, 40° north and 100° west. Now, for example, if we want to find the position of D, now which place is D? We have to match it. Firstly, we match it with this line. What is it? It is 40° north and at the top 100° east. So it is 40° north and 100° east. So in this way, you can find the position of B, like match it with 20° south and on the top 60° west. Similarly, like this one, B. Similarly, we can find the position of C and we can find the position of E. Okay, so they have told you that the position of A is 40° north and 100° west. And for each of the dots B, C, D, and E, work out the number of the line of latitude and of the line of longitude that shows its position. Okay, understand? Firstly, we can write the line of longitude, what number is given, and then match it with the line of latitude. So now I was telling you about this one. What have they shown you? All the lines which are stretching from left hand side to the right hand side, or we can say they're stretching from North Pole to the South. They're all called the lines of latitude. And all the lines which are stretching from east to west, they are called lines of longitude. Okay, they are in length, so they are called lines of longitude. So now lines of latitude and longitude on a globe. Okay, I have told you about this one. Once again, I want to discuss this Greenwich meridian. What is meant by Greenwich meridian? Basically, this line is called prime meridian. It is running at 0° longitude. Where it is running at 0° longitude. You can match it with your books with figure 1.3. You can match it with figure 1.3 of your books. It is running at 0° longitude. Okay, now, and it is running from South Pole towards North. And now this prime meridian is matching. It is having a place on it that is called Greenwich, England. This is a place of England which is called Greenwich. That's why it is also called Greenwich meridian. Why it is called Greenwich meridian? Because it is coming on prime meridian. It is meeting the line of prime meridian. That is why it is also known as Greenwich meridian. Okay, so now you understand these lines. This map is telling you the distance between the degrees of latitude and longitude. How much is the distance? 0° is lying on the equator. Then above we go 30°, 60°, 90° north, and below minus 30°, minus 60°, minus 90° south. Similarly, if we just want see this one map, it is showing the lines of longitude. It is they are telling you about west and east. Okay, so 0°, 30°, 60°, and 90°. This one is west. Okay, and the minus one is east. No, sorry, this one is east, which is coming on this side. This is east, and the minus one is west. So this one is west, and this side is east. Okay, so now returning to this page, that is the lines of latitude and lines of longitude. Do you understand what do you mean by lines of latitude and lines? Okay, if you are having a globe, so you can just look at the lines of latitude and longitude on a globe. Use a globe if you can. Otherwise, look at, I'm reading page number 6, this paragraph, this one. Lines of latitude and longitude on a globe. So use a globe if you can. Otherwise, look at figure 1.5. You will see that the lines look different from the way they look on the map, figure 1.3. Why do they look different? Now, these lines are looking different from these lines. And they are saying why they're different, because in it we are showing it in the form of a map, but these lines are on the globe. That's why this is the main difference. You know that globes, on a globe, lines are stretching from left to right as well as from top to bottom. So these are, be attentive students. So these are the lines, and if they're in the form of a globe, they look like this, and if they're in the form of a map, they look like this. Okay, figure 1.2. So if they are in the form of a globe, they look like this figure. Okay. So why do they look different? You know the answer. Why do these lines look different? Because this one, in this figure, they are in the form of a globe, and in figure 1.3, they are in the form of a map. Which lines on figure 1.5, latitude or longitude, vary in length? Which lines meet at points at the north and south? Okay, which lines are meeting at points at the north and south? So which line are meeting? In this, we can see this map. You can just look at this map and you can just meet the lines. Which lines are meeting at north and south pole? The above lines, there are lines below which are south, and the above lines are towards the north. These lines are, each line is matching with either east or west. So which lines meet at points at the north and south poles means to say that which lines are meeting with the west or east side. It means the north side is also matching with west side, and all some places are coming on the in the northeast, and some places are coming in the northwest. Similarly, some places are coming in the southeast and some places are coming in the southwest. So it's more easy to find from this map than in this map. Okay, because this map is kind of difficult and this map is easy. We can just meet the lines, match the lines. Like we can put a dot on the places and we can just match them easily. Like in this way, we can match them easily from the lines of latitude to the lines of longitude. Okay, how to study and understand photographs and pictures. Okay, now if there are maps, now we have discussed maps about, which are telling us about like lines of longitude and lines of latitude, means about the places on Earth. Now, if there are maps on photographs and pictures, so how can we study those maps who are having photographs and pictures? Okay, this we can discuss later. Now I want you. Now I want to ask questions from you. Okay, so. Okay, now you can unmute yourself one by one and you can answer the question.
टीचर सारे ऐसे बच्चे लिखे जा रहे हैं एक दूसरे का कुछ ना कुछ, इन लोगों के मन करे।
ये आप लोग एक दूसरे को चैट क्यों कर रहे हैं? Okay, students, unmute yourself now. yourself. Why you are chatting? You are not allowed to do.
सारे सेटिंग कर रहे हैं सब मैं
Okay, now. Okay, what are the lines of latitude? What are the lines of latitude? Yes, students. What are the lines of latitude?
miss the lines from north to south are called lines of longitude.
The line stretching from left to right or from
West to east.
north to south. No, north to south. They are called lines of latitude.
Miss, you have said left to right and north to south.
तो मैं यही तो कह रही हूँ, from left to right or from north to south. They are called lines of latitude. Okay, what are lines of longitude?
Miss, left to right lines of longitude नहीं है.
नहीं, that are the left to right lines of latitude.
Sorry.
Top to bottom longitude.
North to south.
Okay, what are the lines of longitude?
North to south.
north to south are called longitude.
No, students, lines of longitude. They are stretching from top to bottom.
From north to south.
Yes, from north to south. From north to south, students, stop chatting, okay? Otherwise, I won't allow you in the other class, next class. Okay, what is prime meridian? G, what is prime meridian? Who will tell me the answer? Prime meridian. Where is it located on the map? You can look at figure 1.3. Where is it located?
Going northward from the equator, following West Africa, Western Europe, and UK.
It is meeting at which point? Students, prime meridian is meeting at 0 degree longitude. It is meeting at 0 degree longitude. Unmute yourself now. Unmute. Mute yourself now.
दरबास ने क्या किया? दरबास माफ करो.
G, what is Greenwich meridian?
What?
Greenwich meridian. What is Greenwich meridian? Which place is Greenwich meridian? Yes.
हेलो टीचर.
G.
टीचर मैंने मीटिंग को ना लेट